So Everipedia is the first decentralized Wikipedia on the blockchain, and so we're completely built on EOS IO technology. We're actually the largest DApp already out.
Hi everybody, my name is Kevin from Alphagrowth. We're here at Crypto Summit 2018. I'm here with Sam. Sam is from
Everipedia, and I'm the president and co-founder. So Everipedia is the first decentralized Wikipedia on the blockchain, and so we're completely built on EOS IO technology. We're actually the largest DApp already out. Our token is about 100 mil market cap already and trading on major exchanges, and it's a really exciting time. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely, thanks for coming on. So tell me, where's your company at right now?
Yeah, so right now we've basically actually launched the real decentralized product, and what that actually means is all of the logic of editing articles and voting on them and whether they should stay on the blockchain or not is all done on the EOS main network. So when you think about a decentralized application, you don't really think about just a token, but then like someone's like centralized app. Think about all the logic on the blockchain, and so we've actually built that on EOS, and so you can actually go on Everipedia.org. If you have IQ tokens, which are the unit of account of the application, you can stake them, edit articles, earn IQ tokens if your edits are good, as defined by other people who are curating articles and have IQ tokens. So it's literally like the Wikipedia economy essentially, but tokenized. And it's basically bringing the market to the knowledge economy essentially. And so what's cool about that is we've already gotten a lot of adoption. We've got over 80 million IQ tokens staked in the actual DApp right now, and it's quickly growing, so it's a really exciting time.
It's really, really cool. Future steps, very near future, far future, what are your plans in your mind right now?
Yeah, so right now, since we actually have a good working application, what we're really working towards is adoption and user interfaces, because a lot of people have been just talking generally about the blockchain space. Not a lot of stuff makes sense. People don't know what staking a token is or how to get the actual tokens required to use an application. You have to first sign up with Coinbase, where you give your dollars for Bitcoin and then trade the Bitcoin for these tokens on other exchanges and stuff like that. And that's just ridiculous, right? I mean, to use like Facebook, you don't have to like sign up for like 3 different sites and like give your money and stuff like that so you can have a token to use Facebook. And so right now we're actually working on user interfaces, abstracting away these like crypto lingo terms and literally just making it free to use, decentralized, uncensorable, and peer-to-peer without having to have you manage your stake of the tokens and all this stuff. And I think in the next few months, we're gonna get there to the point where people that haven't even heard about crypto can just use it for free. Like my mom could use it, basically.
Yeah. So tell me, what's the main purpose? Why would we go with Everipedia?
Yeah, so this is just kind of generally in the whole way of like Internet 3.0, where you think, what did Bitcoin do that's actually exciting? It completely brought a concept of something that's not a corporation and that's not actually, having to sell your data or sell ads or something to keep the network going. If you think of what Bitcoin is, it's a network that issues money, but there's no CEO, there's no headquarters, there's no people or board members that manage it. It is completely peer-to-peer. And so in that vein, there's a lot of decentralized applications with the same idea that you can truly build peer-to-peer systems in which we can't control as a centralized entity what's on Everipedia. There's no ads, it's self-sustained. So you earn IQ tokens and IQ tokens keep the whole thing running, just like Bitcoins pay miners to keep the entire network running. So in that regard, Everipedia is like the first kind of consumer application with the Bitcoin fully decentralized ethos. All of the logic is peer-to-peer, and so that's what's really important about it.
Interesting. So you talk about making it available for everybody, even your mom could do it. Are you targeting a specific audience at all?
So right now we've actually gotten a lot of Wikipedia editors and tech-savvy people to use it just because it's a little difficult, but the adoption is really good. What we want to do is make these ideas easy to understand so people understand that, and from a technological perspective, everything is superior in this kind of way, but they don't have to know how to use it, right? When you use a website, you don't know the HTTP and server WebSocket layer and all that stuff, right? But back then you kind of had to know, exactly how to navigate the web in the 90s, right? And so what we're trying to do right now is make it obvious that this stuff is superior technology, but that the user interface layer is coming, so it's free to use, it's easy to understand.
So you have a very high emphasis on user interface and experience.
Exactly.
Interesting.
Yeah. And the cool thing is, like, you can try it right now. Obviously, what you'll see is decentralized applications are a little technical, but every aspect and benefit of Wikipedia is already in Everipedia, the decentralized counterpart. Reading it is free because reading data from a blockchain is always free.
Yes.
It's a public database.
Yes.
Using it, you can actually earn tokens instead of it tracking your data or asking you for donations. So it's self-sustainable, and you don't actually need to run like server farms and stuff like the Wikimedia Foundation or like Facebook and stuff to keep this whole system going. It's completely self-governed and self-sustainable. So it has all the benefits of the centralized, counterpart, but all of the new benefits you bring when you bring a crypto economy to that application layer.
That is so exciting. We talked to a bunch of people today, but this is something that I can see to be very predictive in the near future. Do you have anything else to say to our viewers?
Yeah, so if you're interested, join our Telegram. It's just at Everipedia, and check out the site. We're always on the Telegram. There's over 8,000 community strong of people actively on it, talking, using the site. It's basically one of the largest dApps already out there. So thanks so much, guys.
Yeah, absolutely. And if they want to reach out to you directly, what can they do?
I'm always on Telegram, Instagram, and Twitter. So at Persian Zuck.
All right, cool.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you for having me.